Login into your OctaFX account from Chrome browser with desktop mode. Now go to three lines. Go to copy trading. Now go to master area. Enter your account nickname from here. It will not be modified after you create account. So select your nickname carefully. So select your real trading account from here. So select your commission from copier from here. So enter your description of your strategy here and public group link here. Now create. See there, you have created new master account. Now click on OK. See there, this is my master account. Now go to OctaFX app. See there, it show as master on your real trading account. So go to master. So go to master settings. You can change anything from here. Okay. Now go to copy trading app. Go there. Search your nickname from here. So this is my master account, master trading account. Okay guys, in this way you can create your master copy trading account. Okay guys, thank you.